there was a lot of things that was going on. How can you let kids be learning under trees when they said, yo, now show me, Sanka facility nipo niho, and uncolanity diasia. It is understandable. Though it is bad, it is understandable. But how the fuck do you tell me, say, what Gigana for Sika? Yo, let me take this thing off, man. I'm getting pissed off. I'm really getting pissed off. How do you tell me, Senanado, when you education service for any education ministry, what Gigana for Sika? Would you go see school dying? Who go see school dying now? What Pamon Colana or Muntina ye see school dying? Ego Jina Patase. And was macho men work good them was one now. Said macho men for us 1 year Juma, Yentia on Kana. Tell Hereford, Nana must shake up things. And this is the time he must do it. If Nana really cares about breaking the 8, Nanado, if truly you are serious about breaking the 8, then shuffle. Shuffle, Nanado Danko Kufuado, shuffle, you will not die. Shuffle. Kufuado, who says so be a umbonoma, Nanado, you will not die. I don't know. How? When yan sabe the woman says sebi you Nanado, this one wherever you are, medin krawe manu. What's the dine at the amount mame? Who kwaya no akopa mo mame the next year bonten say sebi a soldier for me that then now mame na bonten. Would you do that, Nanado? Would you do that? And it's not your fault because who they were provided here, so who provided. But the wouldn't question honor you can't says so sister Nanado so sister change your hands, change your style, Nanado change your style, Nanado change your style, change your hands, no, change your hands. How do you tell me, sir, the Constitution gives you a power to reshuffle? Are you telling me, sir, Nanado Dankwa, all your appointees are good workers, they are all working good? Nanado, are you telling us, Ghanaians and everybody who supports you, say, one more when you are papa now? You nearly lost 2020 election. Daddy, that was what was supposed to open your eyes. After the 2020 election, Daddy, your eyes were supposed to be open. Said, I'm not fighting against NDC. I'm fighting against my own people. It is your own MPP people that are digging your grave and you are sitting down quiet, Daddy. What sense does it make? Usi school diamond kola. Na wako pamon kola ne frimu so munko suya de o patase. Na macho men. Se forestry commissioner kron for boys ya. Omo kwa doma machine no. Omo kwa jiji huska. Wamumba pamu yankola free school there. I've told you people MPP for na mo no so just be careful. Sister brother, I'm not here just to speak for MPP. There be. I love MPP. You know me. You see me in action for MPP. You hear what I'm saying? But say MPP, I'm born number. I have to be the first soldier to shoot the bullet. Because I'm a betnaha. In NDC. Now some in Croft 1 year, Jimmy Four. I have to let them know, say, move Jimmy. That's me cocaine flex now. When you say we MPP new until penny for ne there. Ya to bomo my say be adachi bi no. Na o kope position bang. Position bang. Is that into position bang? Into position inti. Say MPP for be me position inti. Yam pamon kola. In free school them into enkosi patase. Na me ko support such a stupid idea. Say me position wa Ghana enya Canada po. Ghana, Adutwum we no. We had the papa kromu, what the policy back Montiasi no. Me, I want Ghana to move forward because yenmo you well bruchiri no. Na show me. I wanna dey we na ya pe baby ya be kwako wuada. E ho ne Ghana na me kona se hwa say ya na me ye ne den. Ghana na me gina ye dede no. Me kona se hwa say me I don't care. I don't care. Hey, I'm not here to just come and bash NDC and Mahama. If MPP for no some journey say no some of you about then you don't follow me. Because me mentesa. Because me MPP for your crana na ya na me Jimmy in the bamo. No ma bomb ye more. because no be wo ho and I'm also on one number into yam pamo sa NDC for the yam famumra and ye pamo womo moba yes nyamia da roma ma ye adwuma anya shekura no ma ye adwuma. Why can't you, number one, sell your works? Nanado, what is in your hands so much that you cannot shuffle? His Excellency, mene wa Nanado anka 2020 elections nearby, you know, and then the me their family who actually say, people for we are many or more year to me, and your woman in Nane Pemasem. Because it's evidence. Evidence, they are come on, boosted. Shadio. Yet, brother, whether the video is an old video or it's a good video, the GES boss, he must go. There is no excuse for that. Ojune say broche, you best die the amankola. Now Obia Kopamwe free, and that person will still have his post. 10 years to crumb on the man facing the punishment for it. There be, Mr. Cynthia, I believe, say, there are people who truly wants to work. Nanado must shuffle his hands. Don't let us support that thing. Mr. Cynthia, don't let us support, say, on trust to be or in that sebi. What sense does it make? When you pay one in the namno or bo wicked, what sense does it make? What say on trust to be or in that sebi. What sense does it make? When you pay one in the namno or bo wicked, what sense does it make? What sense does it make? Mr. Cynthia, it doesn't make no sense. My phobia jumem, onipa no bon number. Me so ya me party ni anaso onipa no ben mi ntini mi nginedi. Ejuma no na opesi ewi anase nyonyam na ope onipa anim. Because say nyonyam a Nanado shouldn't be the person who compare nyonyam cause when nyonyam dada baby a wako the awaye ni wi ase nana your works is evidence everywhere. You don't need to be a good person in order for people to love you. The people you are good to cry, they don't love you. So sack them. Sack them. Sesawonsano, Nanado, Sesawonsano. Most of these, your ministers and your appointees, omo your boka, omo your waste. Change them. Said I'm a kind and a man has a meba casa de am MPP. I'm a MPP for any aje. There be. Said don't know buy us all better say me and this if when you kuku when you sell free page no so me some party yare. And I'm you are living in a country that don't hold the people who commit an offense accountable. No, they don't do that. You live in a country that holds the government accountable for people who commit crime. The people who commit crime are left go. They would actually have people to defend them. Juma free 2017 to now. Most of them in one number, and you are supposed to take all of them out. This means